Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for a math test in just one day. Begin by quickly identifying the most important topics and formulas from your syllabus. Next, review your class notes and textbook examples, paying close attention to any areas you found challenging. The goal is to understand the core concepts, not just memorize them, to maximize your limited study time. Once you have a grasp of the concepts, it's time for targeted practice. Work through a few example problems from each key topic to solidify your understanding. Don't try to do every problem. Instead, focus on a diverse set that covers different problem types. Always check your answers and understand where you went wrong to learn from your mistakes effectively. To ensure the information sticks, use active recall techniques. Quiz yourself on important formulas and definitions without looking at your notes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud as if you were teaching someone else. This process helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Summarize the main ideas for each topic in your own words to reinforce your learning. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of rest and a positive mindset. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before your test. Eat a healthy, light meal to keep your energy levels stable. Approach the test calmly and confidently, trusting in the preparation you've done. A clear mind performs much better under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.